Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. So today I wanted to do an unboxing video. I got a brand new camera from Amazon. A lot of these air pillows in here. Okay, so this is the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera, and I got it to use mainly for video. So let's open the box. Here is the user manual. And here is the warranty card. And here is the neck strap. And there's the battery. And here is the kit lens. And this is the EF M50 to 45 millimeter lens. Oh, that's the back. And back here, this is the battery charger. And finally, we have the camera itself. And there it is. It's pretty small. So this is the M50 mirrorless camera. So I want to do a size comparison. Here is my 5D Mark IV full frame camera. You can see how much smaller this mirrorless camera is. Okay, so this is my first mirrorless camera. It's a 24.1 megapixel mirrorless camera. It's an APS-C crop sensor. It shoots 4K video, 24p. It has a Digit 8 processor, and it has a touch screen. It flips out. That's a nice feature when you're shooting video, and it does rotate. So this camera uses EF-M lenses, but you can get an adapter to use regular Canon EF and EF-S lenses, so I'm planning to get an adapter for this. And it does have a, let's see, it has a microphone port right here. There is the battery compartment, and it has a single SD card slot. Somewhere. Oh, okay. So the card slot is right here, and here's the compartment for the battery. That's interesting. There's a little viewfinder. And there's the hot shoe, and there's a little cover for the hot shoe. So I'm going to mainly use this to shoot video. I'm also going to use it for photography as well. So that's the Canon EOS M50 with the 15 to 45 millimeter kit lens. There's Barnaby and Henry eating their Timothy hay. Hi Henry, how are you doing? There's Barnaby. And there is Piper in her little hideout. So I just wanted to show you what the sensor looks like in here. And there's the sensor. So this lens has a plastic rear mount. And there's the front of the lens. I don't know if you can see it, but you can actually see I can actually see the diaphragm blades in here. It controls the aperture. So it looks like the barrel is made of plastic. It's pretty much all plastic except for the elements.